Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching, and if you're a subscriber, thanks for staying solid. So today I am wearing a wig from Lockbraids. It is a full human hair braided wig and it's 24 inches. It came out the box straight like this. I didn't put wire on it, I didn't put mousse on it, and it was super cute. It did not take me as long as I thought it was going to be for me to put the wig on. It came out super natural. The only thing I did was tint the cap I had and the lace, as well as gelled my edges that they had with the hair and used lace melting spray. So it was super quick, super easy. It didn't take a long time, you know, sitting and waiting for someone to do your hair. This is something you can do by yourself, and it was super cute. And I had to put it to the test to do my favorite hairstyle that I love to do, which is half up, half down ponytail with the two parts, and it still looks good and it still looks natural. I personally didn't think I would like braided wigs because every time I've seen them, it's looked bulky and not natural looking, and you could see like you could just see the hairs that didn't look natural in the partings. But with this hair, that's why I was hesitant. But with this hair, as soon as I put it on, I knew it was gonna eat because it looks just so cute, just straight from the box. Like, and it's light, it's not heavy at all. You can take it off when you're tired, when it's hot. So it's a lot of benefits to having this hair, and I love it. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle so I can like lay it super quick, super easy, please keep watching. This is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. So what it comes with, this is the wig itself, and then when you open it, it comes with it comes with one of those headbands. So it comes with one of those headbands you can wrap around your head so you don't have to put glue on. I think I've seen those before, so we're gonna try using this. And the next thing is a comb to part your hair, of course. And well, you don't need to part your hair for the braid wig, but edge brush and two cute hair ties. So that is what you get, and let's get started. So since y'all have seen what's in the bag when you get it, I'm going to show y'all the actual wig itself. So we're going to see it together. Okay, so it comes like this, and it has a net. It doesn't smell bad. So as you can see, these are the curls. Look at that. And this is the parts. As you can see, you have 3 combs. Oh no, you have 4 combs in the back right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have like an adjustable strap in the back. So that's really good. And you have the front, and the front has edges on it, as you can see. So it's super pretty. I think it has a perfect amount of curls. It feels super soft. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like with me just putting it on and not doing anything with it. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so okay, hold on so I can see. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is a medium cap. I have a super big head. But as you can see, it looks like it's already bleached already. So it looks super cute already. And this is what it looks like with the cap on. This is what it looks like with me not doing anything to it. yet. I haven't put any coloring yet, none of that. So I'm gonna fix it with y'all so we can see together how we can make this look cute, you know, ready to go. So to make this actually my color, I'm going to color this part of the lace. And what I'm going to use is my Black Radiance. I'm going to use my Black Radiance press powder. It's in the color Cafe. So I'm going to use that to powder it, so because that's my skin color. Yeah, so let me do that. And just pat it around here to tint the lace so it has my color. So I've tinted this lace. I'm going to put this cap back on, and I'm going to tint this also because this cap is actually super light. Super light. So
are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can leave it.
do y'all see? It's like, it's pretty, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna push back the edges. I currently can't find my hair scissors, so I'm just gonna use some scissors I have. So again, we're gonna pull the edges back and put in a ponytail. As you can see, this is where there's a hairline, which is cool. It's not like just it's not like round. There's a hairline, which I like. I do have a fairly large forehead, so I don't want it to look unnatural. So I'm going to go in, because this is meant to be glueless. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna cut the hair. And I'm gonna zigzag around it. Put the edges away so I don't cut them accidentally. So this is what it looks like cut with all the lace off. As you can see, the edges are still here, so we're gonna play with them. What I'm gonna do, and this is still glueless. I have not added any glue, and personally I don't think you need to too much, because look, but here you might need to. But yeah, we're gonna, it's pretty quick. Let me see how this works with the headband and how I'm going to lay it. I'm going to test this headband out for y'all. See how it is and how it looks like. That headband actually is not bad. It's not bad at all, because look, I'm playing with it. Honestly, what you don't need to do too much to his hair. Like it looks great. It looks like braids. I can tell it's gonna look good, but yeah, like it's sticking in place. I just need to glue some places down, and with that I just need to glue like the sides down, because that's the part that's like flapping away. So that's the part that needs to go down, but other than that, it's super cute. But let me take this off right now, because it's kind of looks like a different color. Plus, personally, I don't want too much on my head, so you can use that if you don't want to, like, you can honestly use this if you don't want to put glue on your head and you want the hair secured, because it definitely secures it. This part will, the sides will be poking out, so if you do use that, I suggest you like have a middle part or something so it doesn't show, because that part is very obvious. But as you can see with that, it blends better with the color. What you're gonna need, I have my, oh my gosh, I have my wig thing to secure it once it's glued. But what I'm gonna use is again my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Melting Lace Melt Spray. It's Ultimate Hold Scalp Protectant. So it has biotin, silk protein, tea tree, peppermint, so it doesn't mess up too bad on your edges. So, because we care about our edges here. So what I'm going to do is spray. Ooh.
That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long.
So I'm going to lay this flat and wait for it to dry. I don't know how long I'm going to wait. Let me see. I'll probably wait for like, I'm going to wait for 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to wait for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to curl it and show y'all what this looks like. Okay, y'all, so we're back. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'm going to take it off. Woo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Comb it down, because I think the glue was stuck on there, so just comb it down. Since these are too long, I'm going to trim them a little bit. And just to make sure the edges are covered through with the color, I'm going to go through with my brush again and just tap on there so it can blend. And we're going to do the edges, and with my edges, I love to use edge boosters, so we're going to go through that. First, I'm going to comb through it again and then go with the edges. So just to make sure I got all the edges out of the glue. The thinner your flat iron, the better for this. My small flat iron broke, and so we're going to have to make do with what we got. And having the edges really helped to hide the lace. Like, it was there, I could see it, but now it's like, where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Like, you know, it's cute. It's cute. So since we did the edges, as you can see, we're going to clean it up with the powder again to make sure I'm not missing anything and it looks flawless. Powder throughout it. Okay. So this is the final look. As y'all can see, it was super quick and easy. I really love it, and I don't even know how to put on a wig really. I'm not too much of a wig person, so for the fact that I was easily able to put this on and it looks super realistic. I just got braids. I just had braids actually, and this looks like what my braids like kind of look like, and it actually is better because it didn't take like 2 days. So I personally, I love it. The hair felt so cute and soft right out the box. I didn't need to do anything, and it's just so cute. I can't stop looking at it. Like, it's super cute. It's super cute. And the hairline was so realistic, like I showed you in the beginning. Like, the hairline wasn't just it was very natural, and I love it. It's super cute. It's super cute. If you want this wig, the link is in my bio. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.